What's going on? What's going on? We're gonna go on a little Sunday ride with the fellas. So here we go. Enjoy the ride. We're gonna go ahead and go get something to eat. this guy right here, man, let me tell you something. He didn't watch my which lane video. Cause he couldn't stay in one lane.
No, Nori, I didn't watch your video.
Hey, you need to go back and watch my video and stick in your lane inside the lane.
Hey, I subscribe though. Cause I'm one of your 30. I'm one of your 30. Matter of fact, I'm in the top 5.
You going back and forth within the lane, but we ride in the group. We got the ride staggered.
Nori, stay in your lane.
I don't know about staggered, Nori.
Here we go.
Stay in your lane.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
I don't know about staggered, Nori.
Here we go.
It prevents everybody else from doing one of these right here.
Here we go.
From going back and forth.
I said,
what nation up on this? The first bike blasters video.
Oh yeah?
Thank you.
Dang, got a bird.
This is what we're working with. What you got over there?
Garlic, spicy garlic, buffalo, lemon pepper.
What you got? Garlic over there?
Parmesan, and lemon pepper.
V got a burger.
Billionaire burger. At the wing joint.
He hiding his wings over there. Yes, sir.
You gotta try something different.
Yes, sir. We about to get our grub on. Let's get it going.
I know that's right. Hey.
All right. That should be all for today. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. We got the beef feet back to the house. And as always, enjoy your ride.